what was that like then?
That's so much fun.
People of Hitway have sent us this electric bike. We're a full-time travel family and we're really looking forward to using this on our travels. Are we ready to give it a go?
Yep, let's go.
So the first thing we did was tip the box on its side, open the bottom, lift it back up and lift the box off because it would have been just too heavy to try and take out. Now, as you can see, it is very well padded and packed. Excellent. Now, it does come with some extra security with a 6-figure coded chain, and it comes with a little multi-tool as well that you can do everything you need as far as putting it together. Now, it's actually quite simple to put together. All you really needed to do was put the handlebars on, the front wheel on, the wheel arches and the brakes, which were actually really simple to put on. As you can see, the battery was already fitted, so that made things a lot easier for us. We just needed to put the back parcel shelf on, and then we just needed to set up the front system for the speedometer and that kind of stuff, but that was dead simple. There's a QR code, you just follow that guide and it all sets it up for you. You just need to screw it onto the handlebars. Then you've got the Shimano there, the gears, which are excellent, 7 gears. The bike itself is really good looking, really sturdy. You've got the front headlight there and the tyres, which we'll talk about more in a little bit. Then you've got the hydraulic braking system, which is much better than your normal standard brakes. So they're stronger, they're smoother, they're more consistent, especially when the weather's wet. And the front one we had to put on ourselves, and it was really simple to put on. So to get to the battery, all you do is turn the key, lift the lever underneath the seat, and the battery just lifts straight out, nice and simple. So this is the lockable front suspension, and it really does absorb the bumps and the vibrations across the road. Now you can leave it open and have it there set for the rough terrain, or you can lock it so you've got kind of better pedaling on the smoother roads as well. Then you've got the preloaded settings as well, just to give you the extra flexibility. Now it does come with a good sized rear rack, which you can actually buy a double saddlebag for, or you can just use it to put things on and take down to the toilet area. You've got a really good foot stand as well, nice and easy to do and nice and sturdy. Put it down. Now before we took it out, we did have to put some extra air into the tyres, not much at all, just a little bit extra to make sure they're at the right pressure. Now, as you can see, the bike really takes off quite effortlessly and really smoothly. That's down to the fact it's got a 48-volt motor, which is delivering 80 Newton meters of power through it. Even up the hills, it's nice, easy and steady and good climb. And then you've got the Shimano 7-speed gears, which really make it just a dream to drive. Now, the fat tyres that are on there means that when we were going off the road and onto the grass and up and down hills and bumps on the grass, it was a really kind of smooth ride as well. And then we can see the button there, it's like levels 1, 2 and 3 for the power assist. Really gave us the extra boost that we needed without being dangerous. And then the app, what that means is we're able to control the bike, lock it, unlock it, to make it secure. We can check the mileage that we've done, the speed that we've done, the headlights. We can check the accelerator assist that we've used. Really good app usage when we stop. Right, so what was that like then?
That's so much fun. It's actually really easy to manoeuvre, considering how big it is. You know, it's heavy for, I'm only little, I'm only like 5'2.5" or something. And so it looks really big, but it's actually really easy to manoeuvre. It's very responsive. So the gears are really easy to use. You haven't got to like flip around like you do on a sort of normal bike. So the front lever here moves the gauge up, so it changes your gear level higher, and then the back lever here reduces your gears down, as you can see there. On this side you've got speed, so you don't have to pedal. You can use the plus and minus to make yourself go faster, but obviously you've got the brakes as well. It's really comfortable. The suspension on it's actually really good. I've gone over loads of bumps and off the grass and everything, or onto the grass rather, and you don't feel like you're getting shocked through your body. Yeah, it's just really good fun. It's really fast actually.
The great news is, for safety, it's got a really good back brake light as well. Now we have got a nice bright front headlight, which is great for your nighttime riding. And then these fat tyres, they're absolutely fantastic. Really comfortable for all different types of terrain. They are puncture resistant, which does obviously help to reduce the flat tyres. And just keeps things nice and comfortable for you on all different terrains. Now, as you can see, it is a folding electric bike. It's got a 2-point lock-on system there. You put it round. If I'm honest, Leslie tries to do it, and she did find it a little bit more difficult with the weight of it and trying to get it round, and the way the wheel kept moving. I got it round, but it was still a little bit awkward. It does fold up into quite a nice, neat kind of package there, really, anyway. So good for storage. So as far as extra security on it as well, you've also got the NFC security system, which just strengthens the protection against theft. You've also got the smart app, which you can integrate with it, so you can look at like your mileage, your battery status, you can control your lights and all that kind of stuff.
Right, I'm going to do a little bit of off-roading in it today and see what the suspension is like, and how easy it is to change gear, what it's like with the pedal assist and the brakes. So at the moment I'm on some quite hilly, bumpy ground. So far I've mainly stuck to the paths, so this will be an interesting test to see how it performs on a little bit more rough terrain. So let's go down the hill. Woo! Okay, so pedal assist kicks in straight away.
So let's talk about the battery. It is quite a long range battery. It's 48 volts, it's 18 amp hours, which means you can get around about between 70 and 140 kilometers of travel, really depending on how you use the bike as well. It has got an anti-theft protection on there with the lock-in system. Now we had it on our power bank and it was pulling 159 watts on there, but that does mean you can charge it while you're traveling.
That's awesome. The ride is really smooth actually. Wow, adrenaline's kicking. Brilliant, love it. Another thing I should mention actually is the brakes. The brakes. So the ground is very slippy, it's been raining overnight and the grass is pretty long. And I've just been doing a decent speed across there. Applied the brakes, I'm in 5th gear. I've notched up the power assist to quite high. Brakes stop me almost instantly. So it's so good, you can get yourself out of trouble really quickly if you do need to. Such a brilliant piece of kit, I love it.
So that's the Hitway BK6S Pro, the electric bike. So final verdicts?
I love it.
I love it.
Yeah,
okay then.
I do, I really do love it. It's so much fun to ride, and like I said in the review, it's actually really easy to ride, even considering how big it is. It's so sturdy, you feel really safe on it actually. I think that's what I'm trying to say.
Okay then.
Like I've been on normal bikes and I've felt a little bit uneasy on them, but even though the size of it, it's still so responsive, and I feel like if you got uncomfortable. You'd be able to get yourself out of trouble really quickly.
Okay then.
So yeah, I do. I love it. It's brilliant.
So there's a link in the description if you want to go and have a look at more details of it. There is also a discount code in there, which is perfect. So go and have a look at it. Thanks to Hitway. It's been brilliant. If you do buy via that link, we do earn a little bit of fuel money.
Yay!
So thanks for that. Keeps us going. It is a brilliant bike by the looks of it then.
Tip top.
Fantastic.